Unraveling the Multimeter, your electrical companion. Hello, curious minds and future electricians. Today, we're going to demystify a crucial tool that's a must-have in any electrical toolkit: the multimeter. Whether you're starting out in electronics or just love understanding new gadgets, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into the world of multimeters and understand what they are and how they are used. A multimeter is a handheld device that combines multiple measurement functions in one unit. Typically, a standard multimeter can measure voltage, current, and resistance. These are fundamental electrical properties that are essential to understand and troubleshoot electronic circuits or devices. Multimeters come in analog and digital forms, with the latter being more popular today due to their ease of use and precision. Let's get familiar with the parts of a multimeter. There's the display, where you read the measurements, the selection knob to choose what you want to measure, and the input jacks where you plug in the probes. Those are the pointy things you touch to what you're measuring. Remember, the black probe is usually for common or ground, and the red probe is for measuring the voltage, current, or resistance. When using a multimeter, safety comes first. Always start by setting the multimeter to the correct measurement type and range for what you're testing. If you're unsure of the range, start higher to protect the multimeter from damage. You then touch the probes to the points in the circuit where you want to take a measurement. The display will show you the reading, and voila, you've got your measurement. Multimeters can measure DC voltage, V, for batteries and power supplies, AC voltage, V tilde, for household electrical outlets, current, A, to find out how much electricity flows through a circuit, resistance, omega, to see how much a component resists the flow of current, continuity, to check if there's a break in the circuit. Other functions, such as frequency, capacitance, temperature, etc., depending on the multimeter model. Never measure resistance in a live circuit. Always check the multimeter's battery before use to ensure accurate readings. Keep the probes and their cords in good condition to maintain safety and accuracy. When in doubt, consult the multimeter's manual. It's your best friend. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to understanding and using a multimeter. This tool is a gateway to mastering electronics, and we hope this video has illuminated its basics for you. Stay curious, keep learning, and always prioritize safety. Until next time, happy measuring!